Hi everyone, in front of me I've got INFINIX Note 12 2023, and let me share with you how to add the photo to your contact in this device. So first of all, let's open your contact list, for example here, find the contact you'd like to edit and tap on it, and then pick this edit icon in the right upper corner. Now let's tap on this camera icon, and as you can see we've got two different ways to change the photo. You can take a photo and then your device will open the camera up, so this is the best option to choose if you've got the person right in front of you and if you're able to catch a photo of him or her. Or you can choose a photo from the gallery, and I will pick this option. You can pick where you want to complete this action, so for example your gallery or Google Photos. Just find the photo you'd like to use and tap on it. And as you can see from this tab, we can adjust the size of this highlighted square. Unfortunately, we cannot zoom in or out the photo. However, after positioning it how you want to, it will affect the display of the contact of the photo. So basically it will look like that after applying. So if you're happy with your choice, just tap on the stick icon, and as you can see the photo immediately appears on the contact. So remember to tap on save in the right upper corner to save it. And as you can see, this is how our contact looks like. You will be able to check the photo on the contact list, or for example during incoming calls from that number. So basically that's all. This is how to add the photo to a contact in your INFINIX Note 12 2023. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.